Just so you know, I've made this cake in real life, which means you can make it too, and I hate you. Because a homemade baker got it wrong. Remember, each method. Yeah. Whose creations bring the light upon his armor, shield imagination comes to life. You're squirrely wag, you know what the metal shirt. 2 tins of some baking powder. La 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 la. How degrees? La 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 la. Now we need. Pour in the mixture to cook for 25 minutes. You can do more or less based on how. Yeah! Now we pour in the mixture and wait it. You can take. Gooey cake mix sticks to the sides. You need to take it in for longer. Take it in. I'm gonna kill you. Because frosting. A super awesome scrumptious delicious yummy chocolate cake. Yeah.